Hey everybody, today I'm here to talk to you about evaporation and condensation. Anytime you want, you can pause or rewind the video and watch again. If you want to write something down, just pause. Then you can write it down and start whenever you are ready. Okay? Today is about evaporation and condensation. As you've learned before, solids, liquids, and gases have different concentrations of particles. The solids, they're all very much together. The liquid, things spread out a bit. And the gas, the particles are very far apart. Evaporation is the process of a liquid changing to a gas. This happens when the liquid gets warmer. Condensation is the process of a gas changing to a liquid. This happens when the gas gets cooler. When gas gets cooler, it changes to a liquid and condenses. When liquid gets hotter, it changes to a gas and evaporates. This pot of water is at 23 degrees. I don't know. There you go. Hope you can see that. It's about 23. Oh, it's going down. But when I put it back in, this water is at 23 degrees. Some of this water on the very top is evaporating, but it's going so slowly that you can't see it. So I'm going to turn it on and make it hotter. We'll fast forward for a minute until the water is boiling. Then you will see the liquid turning to a gas. Right now, the temperature of the water is just about 70, 69 and going up. I hope you can see, but there's evaporation is happening already, even though the water's not boiling. And you can see it. It's happening a lot faster than when the water was just at room temperature. Let's wait. We'll let it get hotter, and then you can see it happening even more. We're at 95 degrees now, and you can really see it. When it gets to 100, it will be boiling. Let's wait just one more minute. We're at 100 degrees now, and you can really see the water is turning into a gas. Look at the liquid turning into a vapor all over. It's happening very fast because this is about as hot as the water can get before turning into a gas. So remember, evaporation is the process of liquid changing to a gas. This happens when the liquid gets warmer. Okay, while evaporation is happening over here, let's talk about condensation. Condensation is when the vapor, the water and the gas turn back into a liquid. Now, this happens when it gets colder. As we see with evaporation, when the liquid gets hotter, it changes to a gas. When the gas gets colder, it changes back into a liquid form. So, this thing of ice, I just poured it, and on the outside, it's very dry. There are no holes. If I hold it up here, the gas hits it and becomes colder. If we wait not very long, you can start to see the gas that's touching the outside starts to turn to a liquid because it gets cold so quickly. Okay, now you can see it. That's the gas traveling up, and when it touches the cold outside, it turns to a liquid. I bet you've seen this in your house before. That's why the outside of your glasses sometimes get wet. when they have ice in them. Alright guys, so one more time, evaporation is the process of a liquid changing to a gas. This happens when the liquid gets warmer. Condensation is the process of a gas changing to a liquid. This happens when the gas gets cooler. Alright, well thanks for watching and see you in class soon.